Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Kraken app. First, download the Kraken app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to create an account and complete the identity verification process, which is crucial for security and compliance. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication immediately to add an extra layer of protection to your funds and personal information. This initial setup ensures a secure trading environment. Now that your account is secure, it's time to fund it. You can deposit funds using several methods, including bank transfers or debit cards. Once funded, head to the Buy Crypto section to easily purchase your desired digital assets. Kraken offers both market and limit orders, allowing you to buy or sell instantly at the current price or set a specific price for your trade to execute automatically. This flexibility helps manage your investments. Beyond basic buying and selling, Kraken offers advanced features like staking, where you can earn rewards on your crypto, and margin trading for experienced users. The app also provides detailed portfolio analytics, helping you track your investments and understand market trends. Always remember to regularly review your security settings, including withdrawal limits and trusted devices, to maintain optimal protection for your assets. Staying informed is key to smart trading. When you're ready to withdraw, you can easily transfer funds back to your linked bank account or send your digital assets to an external wallet. Always double-check wallet addresses before confirming any transfers to avoid irreversible losses. Remember, staying informed about market changes and security best practices is crucial for a successful experience. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.